Alright, so I got a whole bunch of them. These are all lovely. These are all from Dragon Trapper's Lodge. Gotta love that desert view. It's just glorious. We ready to throw some minis for science. Alright, let's go see what we got. And in one shot, let's go, Stella. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we got a whole bunch of minis. I see a whole bunch of minis. Let's see here. Alright. This guy looks good. No breakage. Love it. Still flexy. So far, he looks good. Everybody's looking good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think we got ourselves a nice little winner here. Oh, yeah, he's looking good. Let's see here. What else do we got? Not a single break. It's a whole plate of minis thrown from the roof. Ugh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a winner. One last time. You just gotta love that.